Just a quick one, guys and gals. Froggy here. I know you're going to laugh at my little buffer here, but this is so that the hammer doesn't hit up against the lower and do any damage. So it's going to hit the toothbrush like that. See? Okay, so I'm measuring the trigger pull on this Dirty Bird trigger that I put in. Let's see if I got a picture of it for you here. Oh, here it is right here. Sorry. It's a two-stage trigger. I put it in. And let's measure the... Well, I already measured the first stage. It's about 2 1/4. Okay? Using this trigger pull. Who makes this? It's a pretty common one. They didn't put their name on it. So anyway, if somebody knows what brand this is, they can put it in the comments. So 2 1/4 is the take up on the first stage. Let's do the second stage here. Sorry, I got my finger in the way. So that's 5 3/4. I think that's a little high. Let me try it again. I was getting 5 1/4. I might have been pulling it off in a funny angle. Okay. Here we go. So I'm pulling right through the first stage onto the second stage. Yeah, that's more what I was getting. Under 5 1/2. I'm going to call it between 5 1/4 and 5 1/2. Okay, so I just wanted to put that up there for you. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Let's go, Brandon.